Please note, if you see this and you want something, it's gonna be a little too late because this video is not getting posted for maybe 2 weeks. Hey guys, welcome back to Marla's World. If you're new here, welcome to Marla's World, and don't forget to subscribe to be a part of my world. Okay, back to the old schedule program. I guess if you're seeing this now, I already posted all the vlogs from Jamaica, and that means I am back and I'm now in the States. And I just decided, why not just show you guys all the stuff that I bought in Jamaica. Also, I have to post another video, but I don't think I'll be recording it today, about my reaction to certain lip balms that I use. So if you see me breaking out here, then that's why. But anyways, I have a lot of goodies that I brought back from Jamaica. I spent, I think, maybe 12,000 or 13,000 Jamaican dollars all together to get all the snacks that I'm about to show you, and I'll just show you what I got. And I want you to comment down below what's your favorite, and if you see something that you've never seen before, comment below and let me know, like, oh, would you be willing to try that or something like that. But yeah, that's how it's gonna work in this video. So yeah, let's get into it because I'm excited, because if I show you guys now, then I can finally eat them all. Because like I've been like, oh, I need to record this video, but I also need to eat them because I'm hungry, like all the time. Okay, all the time. So I'm going to show you them now. Okay, so let's get into the video. So guys, this is what it looks like. So as you can see, it's like a whole hand luggage. I definitely brought more stuff. I brought like patties from Tasty, and I also brought like breadfruit and ackee, things like that, but mostly for my mom because she's the one that be cooking, not me so much. So yeah, let me just do the all now and I'll show you. But yeah, this is what we brought. I bought. My hair is so heavy, guys. But anyways, I'm just gonna show you. I'll just put them on the couch for now once I show you guys what I got. So I got Lasco's. I think I got vanilla and strawberry because that's what I usually get. I think I also got pineapples, but like I got 3 small ones because they didn't have orange pineapple, because they didn't have the bigger ones in that. I got chicken and chips. I don't know if you guys have ever tried this. It's really nice. Well, back then it was nice. I got 3 of them, I believe. Bigfoot, I think I got 3 spicy. There's another spicy one. Spicy chicken chips, same. Snackables, I believe I got 6 of these. These are the bomb.com, okay, period. These are really good. I think I got like 6 of them. Obviously I'm not going to show you all of what, like, I'm just going to show you at least one of what I got, basically. Rock tops, these are really nice, but like when you have them, you have to have them with like something to drink, otherwise your throat is gonna be dry. So yeah, I really like these though. Like I really like these. I think these were one of my faves in high school. And I got Tiki, so I got a box of strawberry, and I also got a box of coconut. I am not really a fan of Tiki, the original one. I'm more so of a fan of Tiki Gold. They're bigger and they're better, more crunchy and everything, so I really like those, but I wasn't able to get them, so I decided why not just get these instead. So that's why I have them. Zoomers, if you know, you know. These, I like Jamaican baked cheesy products because they're so good. Tea biscuits, a lot of the stuff I got are crushed, but that's okay. Like tea biscuits, these are usually really good with tea, like, you know, because we act like we're British. So basically we have a lot of tea. We have a lot of tea in Jamaica. Actually, I did bring up a lot of tea, to be honest. I think I brought up different flavors. Cream, guys. Last time I went to Jamaica, I was so mad I couldn't get the strawberry because they always have the original, but I don't really like the original like that. I prefer the strawberry. And listen, I I love this. My brother, he also loves it, so I brought him one pack and he already had it. But yeah, this is really, really good. I got three, but I gave away one, so now I have 2 and they're all mine and nobody's getting any. But also guys, please note, if you see this and you want something, it's gonna be a little too late because this video is not getting posted for maybe 2 weeks, and then that means they'll be done. Okay, just saying. Just saying. I got little honey bun donuts. These are so good. I really like them. When I bring up the Prestige donut, which is a Jamaican classic, if you know, you know. I'll try to find a picture and insert it here. But like when you bring up these, they're still fresh, whereas the Prestige donut, they're not fresh anymore, so they don't taste the same and they're no longer good to me at least. So cheesies, these are really good. Like I said, I rather these than the ones they sell here, like Cheetos, things like that. I rather these. So yeah, I usually love these in high school. I usually get the smaller ones, but I'm like, why not just get this one, because I didn't want to buy like several because I don't think I like them that much anymore, but I just wanted one just in case, so I just got one. It's just a strawberry butterkist biscuit with cream filling inside. I think National's bun is my new favorite because they're so soft and they feel really good and they taste really good too. Like I could just break this off and eat it, and I think that's what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna leave this to the side so I know when I'm going I'll bring that, because I'm going somewhere after this, guys. Like I said, I bought a lot of buns. Also, this, I love ginger. Okay guys, I really do love ginger. So I think I got 3 of this. Now I'm regretting it. I feel like I should have bought more, but I got 3 of them and I already had one, so I only have 2 left. But this is really good, ginger biscuit. I think it's made by the same company as the tea biscuit. Really, really good. Really good. More donuts. Rock hot. And this biscuit, the butter cookies, this is really good. I really, really like this one. A lot of them are sweet, so you just need to drink a little water or something. But yeah, I love this. And this is the original Bigfoot. So if you know, you know, this is the original. Another one. More buns. Oh, guys, I got digestive. I should have gotten the box. These are so good, like so good. I'm about to have one right now. Speaking of, my hair is all over the place. These are so good. So good. All these I've shown you guys already. Remember I was telling you guys about the last go. This is the orange pineapple. Really good flavor. I really like it. I brought a rose and almond to put in like your porridge. It's a secret ingredient and something else I do, but I'm not going to tell you guys because no, it's a secret for a reason. Everything else I feel like I already showed you guys. I got like 6. I got 3 or 6 of each things or more. So like digestive, I think I got like 12 of them. Buns, I got like 6 of them. Just things like that. And guys, I was overweight, so I ended up having to pay for another suitcase. But yeah, that's basically it. I also got this Benjamin's vanilla. I feel like when you buy these things in Jamaica, they're not so diluted, so you get better quality for your money. That's what I think. But yeah, I think that's all I got. And I also have tags. The pineapple one is amazing. So like this, When I lived with my sister in Jamaica, we used to have it like all the time, and it was really good. And if you're Jamaican, you must know this. Shackleberry fin. Alright, then call it shakaberry. This is the best Kool-Aid there is. I'm not kidding at all. This is really, really good. Yeah, and I think I just bought these because they're not here in America, so I got them. And of course, this is not included in like the $13,000 already spent, but this is really, really good. Just to, like, if I want to do my hair myself, then this is easier because it's not too coarse, and it's like, it's just really nice to have this to use it. I got like 3 packs of them, and now all these go back in here until I get back. Then I'll officially pack them out. But also, guys, I have something else I want to show you, something else that I got, so I'm gonna show you right now. So guys, this right here, I think I only brought up 3 of them because I'm like, why not? These are usually good when I was in Jamaica. Eggnog, who doesn't love eggnog? I love eggnog so much, so I was like, why not just bring up some? I think I only brought 3 because I wasn't sure if it was gonna spill or anything, and besides, I was worried about being overweight, so I didn't want to bring too many things. So yeah, that's it. That's all I got. I'm not gonna show you the patties because they're already in the fridge and I don't want to take them out, but yeah, that's it. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, leave a big thumbs up. Don't forget to comment down below what's your favorite Jamaican snacks. I didn't bring banana chips because they're here and they're not too expensive. Like, why bring it up when it's here? To me, it tastes the same, but some things are more fresh in Jamaica. So yeah, I brought those things up, and things that I wasn't able to find, or things that were just ridiculously overpriced here. So I brought those up. Also, guys, you could now bring mangoes on the plane. And hint, if you didn't know, you could bring a whole mango on the plane. But yeah, I gotta go somewhere, so I'll talk to you guys in the next video where I'll be addressing this thing right here. But yeah, peace and love. Thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye guys, love y'all.